Hello and welcome. I'm Rob Tarkoff, the Executive Vice President of Oracle CX and Data Cloud, and it's my pleasure to be part of the 14th Annual Markie Awards that recognizes the outstanding achievements of our CX partners and customers. I enjoy learning about how our customers have created engaging, successful customer experiences for their end customers, and I encourage all of you to look at their examples and learn from them. You'll notice several Australian finalists this year, which makes me think when COVID travel restrictions lift, that I will have to plan another trip down under the next chance I get. All right, let's move on to the finalists. Congratulations to our finalists for the Apex Award for Best Overall Customer Experience. This award showcases companies who have architected a standout customer experience that shifted from driving transactions to actually building advocates. We had some stellar submissions this year, and I'm happy to share our top finalists with you. Our first finalist for the Apex Award for Best Overall Customer Experience is the Australian National University. They are one of the world's leading research institutions and renowned for their programs in the arts and social sciences. Over the last 5 years, universities around Australia were unfortunately seeing a steady decline in postgraduate numbers. ANU, as they're called, created a marketing campaign designed to slow this rate of decline in their postgraduate applications by creating a two-way conversation and putting their students in the driver's seat. Working with partner Marketing Decisions, the campaign took 3 months to launch and used eloquent marketing automation integrated with Oracle CX Sales and CX B2C service. They used an Eloqua Cloud SMS app and Oracle Business Intelligence custom campaign reporting to provide on-demand updates. The results speak for themselves. Their sample group produced over 22% conversion to application rate and a return of 62 times the initial campaign investment. Those are amazing numbers. It also turned their students into brand ambassadors so that they could advocate the ANU programs to other students. ANU should add a class about how to leverage technology in their curriculum to provide a better CX, because any company could learn from them and their success. Dymocks is our next finalist, and they're a finalist in impressive 3 Markie categories this year. They have been in business in Australia since the 1800s and today have stores in Australia, New Zealand, and Hong Kong. Dymocks engages their customers through their Book Lover Rewards program, which they are facilitating through Oracle Responses. The Book Lover Reward has classic and gold tiers, and their Close to Gold campaign has demonstrated a 32% uplift in sales with a 30-day window after the email send. In addition, Dymocks developed a custom algorithmic-based recommendations engine, moving away from a manual process that previously took 4 weeks to complete. The new process uses Oracle Responses to send automated recommendations emails immediately after purchase. Their e-commerce conversion rate on the website is 250% higher for customers who click on a recommendation versus those who don't. By reaching their customers with timely, personalized campaigns, Dymocks reduced churn and improved customer engagement, a positive impact that is felt throughout their business. Someone should actually write a book on that CX improvement. Perhaps surprisingly, our third finalist is also from Australia. Established in 2004, the Jetstar Group has been one of the fastest growing low-cost airlines in the Asia-Pacific region. They are part of the Australia-based Qantas Group and have served more than 300 million passengers over the last 16 years. In 2019, Jetstar focused on 2 family personas because their post-booking experience was fraught with anxiety and stress. Jetstar set a goal to alleviate that stress. To deliver on their vision, they leveraged Oracle Responses, enabling cross-channel integration using Oracle DMP and accelerated their site conversion rates with Oracle Maximizer. These integrations have allowed Jetstar to optimize content for their family personas and provide tailored content to help ease the stress of the family journey. They've seen a 47% increase in revenue from the young family persona in Australia. And in addition, the percentage of family complaint cases decreased from 25% in March 2018 to 17% in 2019. Jetstar has rolled out the remaining personas across their post-booking campaigns and already are seeing their engagement take off. Our next finalist for the Apex Award for Best Overall Customer Experience is Lojas Lebes, a Brazilian department store founded in 1956 that offers items from fashion to furniture, appliances, and electronics. The company also manufactures more than 1 million pieces of clothing per year and celebrated the opening of their 100th store in 2009. In 2011, Lebes launched their e-commerce site and began their transformation from a brick-and-mortar company to a digital and omni-channel company. In 2017, they worked with partner PM Web to use Oracle responses for their email campaigns, achieving 131% more orders, 127% more sessions, and 99.4% more revenue in the first year, to be exact. In 2019, Lebes integrated their online and offline data and doubled their number of automated campaigns. They began using Oracle responses to integrate email and SMS and increase their omni-channel customers by an impressive 85% and have grown revenue by 130%. Lebes will soon add additional features like push notifications and unify all communications on this single platform. They expect their campaigns for reactivating inactive customers to achieve a 20% growth rate in their active customer base this year. We can't wait to see what is in store for Lebes next. Our last finalist will be familiar, as just last year, they won this Apex Award for the best overall customer experience. Panasonic Computer Products of Europe manufactures ruggedized computers and tablets under their Toughbook brand. They have a strong network of partners and wanted to provide relative information to them at each touchpoint to improve performance for their channel partner network. With partner Box Fusion, Panasonic developed a next-gen solution built on Oracle CX Cloud that includes a partner portal, an e-learning solution, and a digital asset library. The Panasonic Customer Experience Program encompasses sales, marketing, and service under one Oracle CX Cloud platform. It was implemented in phases of approximately 4 months each over the last 5.5 years and includes Oracle Eloqua, CX Sales and Service, and CX B2C Service. Since implementation, Panasonic enjoys enhanced visibility across platforms, and they've seen an increased engagement with the brand, reduced nurturing time from lead to sale, and shortened issue identification and resolution. It's not surprising that they're back in this category once again. All right. Now for the moment you have all been waiting for. The Apex Award for Best Overall Customer Experience goes to Jetstar. Congratulations to Jetstar, well deserved. Congratulations also for your commitment to continually improving your customer experience. Jetstar, you stood out in this category because of your recognition of the role of digital marketing integrations in helping to promote your vision and improve your customer journey through assisting traveling families. And when we all start traveling again, I know we'll take advantage of that. Congratulations to the team at Jetstar, and congratulations to all our finalists. Thanks very much, and we look forward to seeing you all soon.